Hey, thanks for picking me up. How's your day been? Oh, good. Are you okay? Good. Yeah, I'm fine. Just tired. Long, stressful day at work. You know how it is. Yeah, Chambers again. He's always there at the worst times. I think he senses the chaos. Fuck! Scared the shit out of me. Anyway, yeah. He just picks the worst times to chime in with his ideas and terrible advice.
So it's not like that one time when I first came over and I completely stopped. Dave?
Are you okay? Hey, what's wrong? You don't know? Okay, I think we should pull over.